Here's the 98 Talon TSI all-wheel drive. It's finally in my garage. I trailered it to Florida after the shootout so I could work on it. And now I just gotta go to my buddy Nick's to pick up an engine hoist. Maybe I can get a shot of his EVO 8. So I'm just arriving at my buddy's house to pick up that engine hoist. Got a nice EVO we're gonna check out. Here's a shot of the interior. It's got the SSL package, huh? Is that a baby seat back there?
That's the one that, when you get the transmission finished, I still have to button up some things underneath that hood.
Oh yeah, you do. This thing's broke.
Yeah. I'm just gonna tap it. If it's empty, go put it in the garbage. I might send out the turbo housing to go get coated.
Where are you sending it to? Where are you gonna send it?
To your buddy.
Justin?
Yeah.
Justin at Detective Coating?
Yeah.
I'll tell him. He does it all. Jaffer just actually made a video with him.
Yeah, I know, I just saw that.
There's the engine hoist. All loaded up. Now time to go home. So I think I got everything to pull out that blown up short block. Engine hoist that I just picked up is right there. There's the engine stand. It's just waiting for this to come out. I can't wait to drive this thing. I'm gonna be putting EVO pistons in it. I'll be adding the Talon side skirts too. Back there, they gotta get painted. So the next video will be the removal of the short block.